Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the video and audio track height in DaVinci Resolve 19. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to simply find a video. This video does not have any audio in it, so let me go ahead and find something that has audio so that you can see the full example of how I will, let's say, increase the audio and the video track height. So this is the video on the timeline, audio track and video track. So in order to increase this, you want to go to the upper left hand side of this timeline here, and you will find the timeline options. Click on this, and it's basically called your timeline viewer setting or your timeline view options, as you can see here. Click on that, then go down to track height, and here you can go ahead and you can increase the audio track height, so you can make it as large as possible, and you are able to scroll down so that you can view your audio much better if you so desire, right? Now from here, you can do the same thing for your video. If you want your video to be smaller or larger, you can go ahead and do it just like that. And that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.